Mangabana a kuma icigo iria igumagirwo ni umu ni mareganete na riendekithia ria kuongerera kaunti ingi mubango-ini wa kigina kiria kigayanagirio kaunti-ini iria ihatagiririo muno ni ng'aragu. Maugite kigina giki kigayagirwo kaunti ici niguo guteithia aikari mahote gwitiria maruru ma ng'aragu, makiuga gukinyiria riu gicunji kia 80 hari igana kia mahiu mao ni makuite. Matetetie itua ria guturanira kaunti cia rugongo rwa bururi na kaunti ingi ihutitio ni ng'aragu, makiuga ikinya riri ni rikuhatiriria kaunti ici mutaratara-ini wa kugaya kigina gia kunyihia maruru ma ng'aragu.
There has been continuous threat whereby every part of the country has been struggling to be enlisted as ASAL. This is an emerging issue. FCDC is not opposed to supporting the less advantaged members of the society in the urban poor. But ASAL must remain ASAL. And this is something we are going to take very seriously. In the Equalization Fund, we note that this disbursement has delayed for several years and has impacted negatively development efforts which have been planned through this initiative.